This is a hunting DVD about the humane control of various vermin species with air rifles here in Northern Ireland. If you should find this at all disturbing, then please do not watch. You have been warned. And for the rest of you out there, welcome to Corvid Chaos 2. Corvid Chaos 2 continues on from where my first DVD, Corvid Chaos, left off, and showing you how air rifles can be used as an effective tool for vermin control. Again, this is a double disc film with 2 hours of never before seen footage, including hide building, decoying wood pigeons, hooded crows, magpies, and air rifle rabbit stalking. To buy a copy of Corvid Chaos 2, please contact Blaze Publishing on 0192 63 39 808, or to buy online, please use the link in the description box below to the virtual newsagent. Each copy is priced $14.99.